start getting paid instantly from using this awesome website. No, it does not involve affiliate marketing or any form of product sale. This is a new website that you can use today to start earning cash online. Honestly, anyone can set up this income stream. There's no work experience needed to be able to start earning cash from this website. Now, just like all the other methods that I post on this channel, this method is also 100% free. You don't have to pay or deposit any money at all. Also, this method works worldwide, so you can start to earn your very first dollar right from the comfort of your own home. Now, I do want to clarify that this does not give you a lot in terms of how much you earn. However, they pay on time and there are several ways to make the task easy. So that makes this the perfect extra income or side hustle. But before we start, hey guys, welcome to EarnPal, where we teach you how to make money every single day. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click the notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video, you'll be the first one to be notified. Please also give this video a big thumbs up, and if you ever have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, please leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Right off the bat, you can see on this website right here, it says online work from home opportunities. Like I said earlier, these work opportunities do not require any previous experience. This is the perfect online work platform for beginners or first-time job seekers who want to earn their first dollar online. As I've said before, this method is completely free, so you can register and create your accounts without having to spend a dime. It works worldwide, so no VPN needed here. Payments are given on a timely basis, and if this is your first time using this platform, or if this is your first time earning money online, they provide online support 24/7. What's also super cool about this platform is that they have multiple payment options. They have PayPal, bank transfer, and a few other options to choose from. PayPal is my personal preference just because of how easy it is to use. I've been using PayPal for a long time and I've been really enjoying my experience so far. But I'm curious guys, what are your preferred payment options online? Let me know by leaving down a comment in the comment section down below so I will know that you are paying attention in this video. So this platform has several kinds of different job opportunities. They're all very different, so that's going to allow you to choose which one best suits you. The first ones that they are offering are typing jobs. For this you can earn $4 to $6 per page. These are online and offline typing assignments. They also have proofreading jobs to earn $5 to $10 per page. If typing and proofreading are not your thing, I do have a little tip that you can use to make these tasks look easier. So make sure you watch this entire video so that you won't miss out on that tip. Other job opportunities on this platform are paid survey jobs. Now, these can earn you anything between $5 to $50 per survey, depending on which survey you choose. The ones that can earn you more tend to be pretty long, but if you have time and you're okay with giving your opinion about products and services, then you can get paid to do that. If you are more into art, you can also create graphic design. Another way around this would be to get a freelancer off of another platform like Fiverr and pay them to create the graphic designs for you. And then you'll be paid a higher price on your final polished graphic design from this platform. As you can see, this platform will pay us about $15 to $40 per assignment. So if you hire someone to freelance, that assignment on another freelance website like Fiverr or Upwork for $5 or $10, you still be able to earn something. But once you have your design, then you can get paid from this platform. You can also get paid by preparing PowerPoint presentations and adding animations and sound effects. PowerPoint is a really easy tool to use even if it's your first time. You can make a pretty decent PowerPoint presentation. Now, there are quite a few YouTube tutorials out there that will show you anything from basic animation to the advanced animations. If you are looking for ideas on how to make those PowerPoint slides, there are thousands of templates that are free to download on websites like Slide Carnival, and you can just browse through them to help jog your creativity. Before you start to make your slides, so this website pays $3 per PowerPoint slide, which is pretty high. That would mean that a 15-slide presentation would get you $45, and that's really good. They also offer spreadsheet entry jobs that earn 20 cents to 40 cents per cell. About this, I don't think that this type of job is for everyone. I mean, Microsoft Excel is not as intuitive and easy to learn as Microsoft PowerPoint, but if you know how to use Excel or you're willing to learn about Excel, then you can definitely do that and get paid. You could also do voice recognition jobs, return conversations of medical prescription slips into textual and audio formats, and you can earn $15 to $40 per assignment. Another one is online advertisement. With this you can get paid 50 cents per ad that you post. That may not sound like much, but this one is super easy. It takes less than a minute to post a single ad, and the more ads that you post, the more you get to earn. The last type of job offered on this platform is language translation. Now, these type of jobs can earn you anywhere from $10 to $30 per page. And what you do with this one is translate various document formats from one language to another. Now, for most of the jobs on this website, you can actually find freelancers from other websites that you can pay less to do most of the work for you. You can then go over their work and give it an extra polish before the submission on this website. And whatever extra income you get paid from the submission of that work on this website, you can keep as profit. For the other jobs like language translation and with the proofreading jobs, you can find softwares that can also do the work for you. Grammarly, for example, is a really great proofreading tool. If you aren't familiar with Grammarly, I highly recommend it. It's an amazing software and has some really nice features. They have a free version if you want to check that out. The free version itself has enough features to do a pretty decent proofreading job, so for any of the jobs that you are interested in, you can just click the description below each job and that will take you to a page that has more details on what that work opportunity entails. So for example, you want to do the graphic designing jobs, so if you click right here and it's going to lead you to this page right over here. On this page, you'll see the job description for becoming a full-time or part-time graphic designer. So they first go into how really good graphic design makes us pay attention. Which is true nowadays. It's not enough to just have functionality in your apps or websites, and even for advertisements and posters, you just can't have all the information simply printed on for these websites or posters to compete with other websites. They need to have an appealing graphic design or interface to attract readers and users. So graphics work relates to the online workers who have skill in Corel Draw and Photoshop, kind of computer application. A brief introductory detail will be provided to you, and you have to work on it with the best of your ability and creativity so that it can be used for the proper purpose. We deal in graphics for websites, apps, games, interior designs, and online ad plates. You'll have to provide us graphics in JPEG, PNG, SWF, WMF, and etc. file formats. Now, they have a few simple skills and requirements like a can-do attitude and a proactive outlook, minimum 16 years of age, internet knowledge, and solid understanding of cloud-based technologies, elementary typing skills with computer with up-to-date software, reliability, trustworthiness and discretion, strong time management and efficiency, professionalism in all communications, steadiness and dependability, quick to learn and grasp new concepts, fast and reliable internet connection, and of course a friendly disposition. You'll see here the honorarium and benefits that you can get. First, we have competitive pay. They pay higher than the US average of hourly wage. For graphic designers, of course. They also have flexible hours, which is one of the best benefits of having an online job. It doesn't matter where you are, you can work at home or at a coffee shop and you don't have a fixed 9 to 5 work schedule. And the selling point for a lot of great rare opportunities is the work environment. This platform has great colleagues from a huge virtual work network, and you can connect with them online if you have all of these particularly up-to-date computer and reliable internet connection, which are the most important technical requirements for online jobs. You can apply by clicking right here and start to follow the application process. Now, the name of this website is HireSign. You can very quickly head on over to this website by clicking on the address bar of your browser and typing in hiresign.com. This is an awesome website for finding job opportunities online within the comforts of your own home. You get better flexibility, more time and freedom, and if you want to know more about this website, you can click right here. This is the end of our video. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we post new content on this channel. And don't forget to smash the like button and leave a comment down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow for a new video.